Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign in PDF document with digital signature using Adobe Acrobat application and mobile phone. Okay, first of all, you need to go to your Adobe Acrobat application in your mobile phone, and after you have opened this application, you can choose a file or a document you want to sign in. So this is my PDF file that I want to sign in. I'm just going to open it, and then we can click on the fill and sign right here, and you can click on this icon to start creating digital signature. Okay, and add signature, and you can create your signature right here. I'm just going to sign in like this, and then we can click on done. Okay, and then you can tap on the part of your document you want to sign in. I'm going to place it right here, for example. Okay, then you can place it anywhere on your document like this. Okay, oops, wait guys. All right, and now as you can see that the PDF document has been signed in with my digital signature. Alright guys, and that's how we can sign in PDF document with digital signature using Adobe Acrobat application and mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.